If you're not giving me the exam sheet right now, keep it to yourself. मैम ने जैसे ही ये बोला पूरी क्लास के होश उड़ गए. Everyone started begging. No ma'am, please take it. We are done, including me. 3.5 hours of anatomy and we still needed those extra 15 minutes just to survive. The prep was insane. मैंने सेमेस्टर अच्छे से पढ़ाई की थी, like शुरू से ही, but the last minute revisions are what matters the most. So 11:45 PM से लेकर 1 AM तक मैंने नॉन स्टॉप जितने भी टॉपिक्स थे सारे के सारे मैंने रिवाइज करे एंड आई थॉट कि रात को सब सोने से पहले रिवाइज कर लेती हूँ. दैट बी गुड. Big mistake. I was revising so hard that I actually started dreaming of anatomy. ख्वाब में भी मुझे मसल और नर्व सप्लाई चल रही थी. अजीब अजीब ख्वाब आ रहे थे मुझे. भाई खैर फजर के वक्त आंख खुली मेरी and it was such a weird uncomfortable feeling like my brain was literally short circuiting from the overload. But strangely, when I walked into that exam hall, I was calm. Deep down, I knew I had done my part. पेपर हाथ में आया तो मार्किंग स्कीम देख के लगा मेडिकल छोड़ के काउंटिंग शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. 0.25 marks, 0.5 marks, 1 mark. Honestly, we needed calculators more than pens. और choices इतनी ज्यादा कि MCQs तक में choice थी. And me being the smart self, जैसे मुझे क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला, I started solving them without reading instructions. Ma'am, after 10 to 15 minutes announced that there's also choice within the MCQs and we were like, what? Anyways, we had to do like 20 MCQs from skull, 10 from face and 10 from neck as well. So that came up to 40 in total, but I had already done extra so couldn't do anything much. Then the objective paper was taken and theory exam was given to us. उसमें चॉइस इतनी ज्यादा होने की वजह से काफी टाइम लग गया डिसीजन मेकिंग में. इट वॉज नर्व रैकिंग एंड ओवरवेलमिंग बट देन समथिंग हैपेंड. अ रियलाइजेशन हिट मी. द पेपर वॉज एक्चुअली रियली यमी, if you know what I mean. Intellectual satisfaction was 100 and honestly credit goes to our favorite anatomy teacher. उन्होंने रट्टा नहीं बल्कि कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाए थे हमें. When your teacher teaches you how to think through an answer instead of just memorizing, even the toughest paper becomes a win. By the time it ended, I was a total zombie. मैम ने अलग से पूछा how did it go and my half functioning brain could only message yes ma'am अच्छा हो गया. I was like this. Shout out to the teachers who focus on concepts over ratta. Tag your favorite conceptual teachers and your friends and follow Study with an App for more such vlogs. Bye bye.